Good morning, students. In my previous video I told you about the moment of force. Moment of force means if in case of any object like a rod, if one point is fixed and if we apply force on the other point, then the force will create a turning effect. Okay, so this kind of turning effect is known as moment of force. Okay, and moment of force is calculated by the magnitude of force into distance of the point where the force is applied from the pivot. Okay, pivot means the fixed point. So moment of force is equal to the magnitude of force into distance of the applied force from pivot. Okay, moment of force is also known as torque. Sometimes you can hear the words torque. Okay, suppose in case of vehicle, that in case of motorbike you may have heard that this engine can produce that amount of torque. Okay, 150 cc engine can produce that amount of torque. 200 cc engine can produce more than that amount of torque. Okay, so torque means the turning effect produced by any force. Okay, and the unit of torque is in SI Newton meter and in CGS dyne centimeter. As moment of force is calculated as the product of the magnitude of force into distance. Okay, so unit of force is dyne in CGS and unit of distance is centimeter in CGS. So moment of force, the unit of moment of force in CGS is dyne centimeter. In the same way, the unit of force in SI is Newton and the unit of distance in SI is meter. So the unit of torque in SI is Newton meter. Okay, so unit of torque in SI is Newton meter and unit of torque in CGS is dyne centimeter. Okay, now you can see here some application of torque. It is easier to open or close a door by applying force at the edge of the plank of the door. Okay, it is easier to unscrew nut tightly fitted to a bolt with a wrench having a long arm. A potter's wheel has a wheel pivoted at the center which is turned by the potter with the help of a stick at the outer rim of the wheel. A driver turns a steering wheel of a car by applying force at its rim. It is easier to open the lid of a container with a spoon rather than a coin. Okay, that means when we apply moment of force, if we have to generate more moment of force or more torque, then either we have to give more force or we have to increase the distance of the point where we apply the force from the pivot. Okay, that means either as moment of force M is equal to F into D. So if we have to get better result, then either we have to increase the value of F or we have to increase the value of D. Okay, or both. So this is some application of torque.